Praxair is not an airline, as I said this morning, met with a few people. We're an industrial gas company. We're one of the largest such companies in the world. Most of you are sitting there saying, what's an industrial gas company? So if you like to drink carbonated beverages, there's CO2. We sell that to the bottling companies. If you like frozen food, after you finish cooking it, we help food manufacturers and processors freeze using nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Cleaner fuels are a result of hydrogen that we supply to refineries. We help fuel rockets that launch satellites and various other things into space. And we're kind of ubiquitous and supply oxygen for people who have trouble breathing. So we're kind of everywhere, but it's not the kind of business you ever really think about. You know, Sandy, when he was talking earlier, talked about how he was a business lawyer. And I'm going to talk about something from the perspective of really a litigation lawyer, but it really is a business lawyer, and I consider myself a business lawyer after 12 years being in-house, because if you're not kind of focusing on how you fit in overall, and the topic I'm going to talk about fits in overall with your company's business, you're not thinking broadly enough. And so the topic is kind of self-explanatory. I've certainly been to enough conferences where people are talking about, you know, the law firms, the outside law firms, and the way they charge. And so this is not another talk about driving down costs, slashing firms and fees, or treating outside lawyers as fungible. I could have that discussion anytime. And we're as tough on fees and reducing costs and alternative arrangements and the like. I spent the first part of my 12 years at Praxair kind of working on those issues. And I think we've been very successful. We've cut our legal spend dramatically, and we've doubled in size and revenue, probably cut our legal spend by 50%. So that's a great topic. If you haven't focused on that yet,